Let me read all the questions. This is revision 7. First question, the value of absolute value of minus 8 minus absolute value of minus 5. The option is minus 3, B is 3, C is 13, D is minus 13. Then second question, successor of 49 multiplied by predecessor of 11 is, option A 60, B minus 60, C 500, D 38. Third question, if m is 13 and n is 12, then the value of m minus minus n is, option A is 1, B is 25, C is minus 1, D is minus 25. Then fourth question, sum of the place value of digit 7 and the face value of digit 9 in the number 896743 is 709, 907, 97, D 16. Which one of the following is not an equivalent fraction of 3 by 8? 6 by 16, 21 by 56, 15 by 32, 24 by 64. Chalo, 2 minutes more. Maximum 2 minutes. हाँ, maximum 2 minutes. Maximum 2 minutes. No, I will not take their answer. I will take their answer after 1 minute. I will take the answer after 1 minute, not before that. My dear, you focus on yourself. Do not see what others are doing. You see, focus on what you are doing. Okay. Always the thing is, best thing in the life is focus on yourself. Do not focus on others, what others are doing. If you go for seeing what others are doing, you will never see yourself. So always see yourself, what I am doing. Okay. So focus on yourself. Chalo, start sending me the answer of first. Ichha, Pranav Kotian B, Unnati B, Ichha, Pavitra, Harsh. By mistakenly, my dear, if you exam you click A, then nothing can be done. Then Unnati, Sarita, Sarthika B, Harsh, Bhavesh. By seeing other answer, you are changing answer, no? Bhavesh, Baghel C. No, you write B. Make correction. Jia B, Ichha A, Jia Panchal B, Gauri Samant B, Dhruvi B, Bhavesh, Varun Patel, Samant, Tanmay Sinde, Bhavesh B, Bhavesh, Jayanti B, Devasi B. Okay, Tanmay B. So majority are telling B. That is plus 3. Let us check whether plus 3 is the correct answer. Absolute value of minus 8 minus minus 3. Let us check whether. Yes, so minus 8 minus minus 5. Okay, let us see. Absolute value of minus 8. Whether number is negative, it will be plus 8. Minus absolute value of minus 5. Now 8. Now 8 is having plus sign, 5 is having minus sign. Plus and minus opposite sign. You have to subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. Which number is bigger? 8. What is sign? Plus 3. Plus 3 is same as 3. Answer is 3. Mute the microphone, my dear. Start sending me the answer of second. Second, C. Varun Patel C. Pavitra C. Tanmay Shinde C. Very good. Harsh C. Ichha Chaudhary C. Unnati Dubey C. Okay. What about others? I want Jia C. Hina Chaudhary C. Bhavesh Swaran C. Yes, send me the answer, my dear. Hardly 10 to 12 answers are there. Everybody has to send the answer. Devasi C, Unnati Dubey C. What others are doing? Others are not going to appear for examination. Hmm? Whoever has joined, they have to participate. Now C, majority are telling C 500. Let us check the answer. Successor of 49. So, 49 plus 1, that is 50. Then predecessor of 11, for predecessor we subtract 1, 11 minus 1 is 10. Now it is multiplication, or you can say product. Product means multiplication. So 50 into 10 is 500. So correct option is C, 500. Very good. Chalo, start sending me the answer of third. Third. Pavitra B, Harsh B, Tanmay B, Harsh Mistry B. Yes, Gauri Sawant, what is your answer? So far, Unnati Dubey B, Tanmay Shinde B. What about Gauri Sawant? Dars B, Prachi B, Devasi B. So, Diya B. So majority are telling plus 25. Yes, B. So majority are telling plus 25, B as the option. Let us check. M minus N. M minus N. Okay. M minus N. M minus N. I have told you, whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply. So what is M minus N? Will be M plus N. What is the value of M? M is 13, N is 12. They have same sign, plus plus. So add 25. Take the plus sign, plus 25. That is 25. So correct option is B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Now do not send me the answer of 4. Now, so 3 questions we have discussed. Now question number 4, sum of the place value of digit 7 and the face value of digit 9. So start sending me the answer of 4. A is wrong option. A is wrong. Wait. B is wrong answer. B is wrong answer, my dear. B is wrong. Ichha A, Arav A, Gaurav A, Tanmay A, Tarun Patel A, Devasi A, Jiya A. Yes. Nashub is A, Diya Gathani A. Okay. So majority are telling So majority are telling A. Let us check the answer. C. My dear, somebody has said C. A and C are the wrong answer. Now let us check. Sum of the place value of the. Wait, no, my dear. 896743. Let us check. We want to find the place value of 7. Place value. And you want to find the face value of 9. Now face value of any digit is the same, 9 only. Place value of 7, you need 10 100, so 700. You add 700 plus 9, that is 709. Option A is correct. Okay. Yes, my dear, beginning you gave. So whoever are giving, yes, you must be confident. You should not. Yes. So you have to be firm about your answer. Yes, that is what we want to check, no, my dear. In the beginning, you gave correct answer, then everybody. Nobody is copying, only they are following you. That is all. They are your follower. Okay. So they are the follower. They are YouTube follower. This period revision period follower. They are revision period follower. That's all. We cannot say copy. Chalo. Start sending me the answer of fifth. Chalo, fifth. Varun Patel C, Pavitra C, C, Tanmay C, Iच्छा C, Harsh C, Urja C, उन्नति दुबे सी, गौरी सावंत सी, हाँ, इच्छा सी, स्वरा सी, ऊर्जा सी. No, C is the correct answer. हाँ, हाँ, yes. Wait. Let us check. Original fraction is 3 by 8. Let us check whether which are equivalent. 6 upon 16. You have to cancel the common factor. 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16. Then this get cancelled 3 by 8. 3 by 8 and 3 by 8 equivalent. 21 upon 56. 7 3s are 21. 8 7s are 56. 7 get cancelled, that is 3 by 8. Equivalent. 15 upon 32. 15 I can write. 3 5s are 15. 32 I can write. 8 multiplied by 4. 8 multiplied by 4. Nothing get cancelled. So this is not 3 by 8. So C is the correct answer. This fraction 15 upon 32 is not equivalent to 3 by 8. 15 upon 32 is not equivalent to 3 by 8. Chalo. 5 problem we have done, another 5 problem. Another 5 problem we have 20 minutes. Okay. So now 6th problem. 6th one. Yes. No problem. What must be added to minus 138 to get minus 26? Option A 164, B minus 164, C 112, 122, 112, D minus 112. Okay, then seventh minus 59 plus dash is equal to 12. Option A 47, B minus 47, C minus 71, D plus 71. Then eighth question. Addition of B option is minus 112, minus 112. Addition of 59 and minus 23 is addition of 59 and minus 23 is option A. B minus 36, C 82, D minus 82. Then so today is the last revision. Try to do all the problems correctly. Then only you will get the confidence for Monday's test. then ninth one, ninth one, yes, ninth one, the product of the face value of digit 5 and the place value of digit 3 in the number 87653 is A 35, B 53, C 8, then D हाँ चलो 50. Some of they are very much talented. Before I write the question, you give them. Okay. Very good. So this is yes. हाँ चलो the value of minus 47 plus minus 35 minus 8 is A is minus 74, B 74, C 84, D minus 84. Chalo, do it fast. So check the calculation, my dear, before you submit. Before you submit, you check the answer. Because this is in MCQ pattern, straight away you will get 2 marks, straight away you will lose 2 marks or 3 marks. There is no in between marks. Okay, so if you have done all the calculation correct and at the end you select the wrong choice, then straight away you will lose 2 marks or 3 marks. Paper pattern I had given you. There will be 5 questions of 2 marks. The last 5 questions will be 3 marks. 3 marks. So 10 plus 15 means 25. Chalo, take 2 more minutes. Huh? हाँ, not 5 minutes, 3 minutes. हाँ, it is 10:18, 10:21. 3 minutes I'm giving. So check the calculation. Very good. Check the calculation, my dear. Do not. Yes, not an issue. It is 10:19. One more minute. Tell me. Let me reduce 1 minute. It is 10:19. हाँ 10:19 10:20 हाँ Well, all of you be ready with your answer 6. Start sending me the answer of 6. Tanmay C, 112, Hina C, Prati C, Unnati Dubey C, Pavitra C, Arya C. But that's also send me Gauri Samant C, Siya Wala C, Hina Chaudhary C, Anusri C. Okay, so majority are telling majority are telling 112, that is C option. Let us check what must be added to minus 138 to get minus 26. What must be added to minus 138 to get minus 26? So we write minus 138 plus x, let x be added, we get minus 26, correct? Now before equal to it is my left hand side, after equal to it is my right hand side. Whenever you change the side, sign changes. Minus 138 on the right hand side will be plus 138. So x will be minus 26 plus 138. Now whether they have same sign or opposite sign. Minus and plus opposite sign. So you have to subtract. 138 minus 26 is 112. Now which number is bigger? 138. What is sign of that? Plus. So answer is 112. So C option is correct. C option is correct. Chalo, start sending me the answer of 7th. 7th. Varun Patel D. Vamsi D. Arya A. A is the wrong answer. A is the wrong answer. Garv D. Icha D. Pavitra D. Huh. Okay. Unnati D. Soham D. Gauri Samant D. Hina D. Okay. Icha Chaudhary D. Okay. So majority are telling D plus 71. Let us check whether this is the correct answer. So minus 59 plus dash is equal to 12. Minus 59 plus dash is equal to 12. So minus 59 plus dash we write x is equal to 12. Now this is left hand side, this is right hand side, take minus 59 on the other side, x will be 12 plus 59. Now whether they have same sign or opposite sign, same sign. 12 plus sign, 59 plus sign, so final sign will be plus. 59 plus 12 is 71, plus 71 is same as 71. So D option is correct. So those who have given the answer A, they are absolutely wrong. So start sending me the answer of 8. Varun Patel A, Aryav A. Send me the answer. Send me the answer. Don't say orally. Send me the answer. Prachi A. Gauri Samant A. Send me the answer in the chat box. Pavitra A. Bhavesh A. Unnati A. Gauri Samant A. Okay. Arya Sanap A. Neil A. Bhavesh A. Darshi A. Neil A. Bhavesh A. Gauri Samant A. Tanmay Shinde, what is your answer? इच्छा चौधरी A, Tanmay, yes A. So, let us log the answer A 36 and check whether it is correct or not. 59 addition means plus. 59 plus minus 23. 59 plus minus 23. I have told you whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply. So plus into minus, minus 59 minus 23. Now what is sign of 59? Plus. What is sign of 23? Minus. Plus and minus opposite sign. So 59 minus 59 minus 23. 9 minus 3 is 6. 36. Which number is bigger? 59 plus 36. So 36 is the correct answer. Plus 36 is the correct answer. So let's start sending me the answer of 9th. 9th. B. Dhruvi B. Wrong answer. Ichha B. Wrong answer. Pranav D. Pranav D. Unnati D. Arya D. Ayush D. Unnati Dubey D. Okay. Ayush Chandan D. Arav D. Varun Patel D. Gauri Sawant D. Let us check. There is nothing. Now let us see 87 87653. Find, wait my dear, find the product of the face value of 5. So 5 face value and place value of 3. Place value of 3. So face value of 5 will be 5. Place value of 3. 3 is at unit place. 5 into 3, that answer is 15. 5 3s are 15. Video is on, my dear. 5 3s are 15. Answer is plus 15. Yes? Yes, all of you can hear me? So correct option is D. Correct option is D. Correct option is D. Chalo, start sending me the answer of 10th. 1 minute. Unnati A, Gauri Sawant A, Darsh A, Ichha A, Jia A, Arav A. What about others? Yes A. Yes, Gauri Sawant, what is your answer? Tanmay Shinde, what is your answer? Tanmay. Neil. B is the wrong answer, my dear. See here. 1 minute. We'll see. Minus 47 plus minus 35 minus 8. No, I have told you whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Now 47 and 35, they have same sign, minus minus. So you have to add the number. You have to add the number and take the common sign. Minus minus common sign minus. Add the number. 47 plus 35 is 82. Minus 82 plus 8. Again minus and plus opposite sign. So you have to subtract. So this is 74. Which number is bigger? 82. Sign. A is the correct answer. Minus 74. Very good. Minus 74 is the correct answer. Chalo, let me give one challenging problem. Last problem, 11th is challenging. May not be asked in the exam, but this is a challenging problem. 11th one, challenging problem. 5-star problem. Chalo, let me see how many of you can solve this. 5-star problem. चलो ठीक है. Successor of 9 plus successor of 9 plus 1 upon upon predecessor of 22 minus 1 is a improper fraction. Second, proper fraction. Third, mixed fraction. And fourth, none of these. Wait. चलो send me the answer. चलो fast. Send B, Arya B, Varun Patel B, Jia Panchal B, Gauri Sawant B. Let successor of 9 is 10. 10 plus 1 upon predecessor of 22 is 21 minus 1. 11 upon 20. Now this is my numerator, this is my denominator. Correct? So numerator is less than denominator, then it is proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator, then it is proper fraction. So B is the correct answer. B is the My dear, all of you are able to solve because you have practiced a lot. You know everything. That is why you are finding it easy. Otherwise, this question I have put in the exam. Not one stand. My dear, you know everything. That is why you are finding it easy.